SmartEdgeAI versus ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, and DeepSeek, a teacher-centered comparison. As artificial intelligence rapidly reshapes education, teachers now have access to a wide range of AI-powered platforms. However, not all AI tools are created equal when it comes to supporting educators. While ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, and DeepSeek are powerful general-purpose AI systems, SmartEdgeAI stands out as a platform built specifically for education, with a focus on empowering teachers and enhancing student learning. Below is a comparison of how SmartEdgeAI differs from other AI tools in terms of services provided to teachers. KeyCap 1 Curriculum Alignment. Most general AI platforms, ChatGPT, Gemini, DeepSeek, provide knowledge across multiple topics but are not tailored to specific curricula. SmartEdgeAI, however, is designed to directly support international programs such as IGCSE, IB, SAT, AHSD, and BTEC, with an added focus on the Jordanian and regional education context. This makes lesson planning and assessment more relevant and practical for teachers. KeyCap 2 Dedicated AI teachers. Unlike general-purpose AIs, SmartEdgeAI has 50-plus subject-specific AI teachers covering biology, physics, chemistry, math, English, business, ICT, and more. Each AI teacher is trained to provide explanations, quizzes, and guidance that align with actual school subjects, something general AI tools cannot replicate. KeyCap 3 Interactive Learning Materials. A key feature unique to SmartEdgeAI is the availability of interactive slides, ready to be used by teachers in their classrooms. This bridges the gap between content generation and real teaching practice, ensuring teachers have ready-to-use, visually engaging materials at their fingertips. KeyCap 4 Zoom Integration and Live Support. SmartEdgeAI goes beyond text-based AI by offering Zoom meetings with AI teachers. This enables both teachers and students to engage in interactive, real-time learning sessions, something that is not available in ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, or DeepSeek. KeyCap 5 Comprehensive Teacher Support Tools. Teachers using SmartEdgeAI can rely on a complete toolkit: lesson planning, quizzes, assignments, grading support, revision guides, and even feedback mechanisms. By comparison, general AI models can generate content if prompted, but they lack structured assessment systems or progress tracking. KeyCap 6 Local Relevance and Bilingual Support. While most global AI tools provide services primarily in English, SmartEdgeAI is fully bilingual, Arabic and English, making it accessible to both teachers and students across Jordan and the wider region. It ensures inclusivity and better adoption in bilingual classrooms. KeyCap 7 Human-AI Partnership. Perhaps the biggest distinction is philosophy. Platforms like ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, and DeepSeek are AI-first tools. They provide answers, but teachers remain outside the system. SmartEdgeAI is an education-first platform, where AI supports teachers instead of replacing them. Teachers remain at the center of the learning process, with AI acting as an assistant, not a substitute. Glowing star conclusion. While ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, and DeepSeek are impressive in their general capabilities, they are not designed to directly meet the needs of teachers in real classrooms. SmartEdgeAI, on the other hand, was built from the ground up with educators in mind. With curriculum alignment, subject-specific AI teachers, interactive slides, Zoom integration, bilingual support, and practical teaching tools, SmartEdgeAI bridges the gap between artificial intelligence and real education. Backhand index pointing. Right. In short, SmartEdgeAI is not just AI, it's AI for teachers and students, working together to transform education.